PDF editor software. So some of them we are going to discuss from them, and few of these PDF editors are specified for some kind of work. Like if you want to reduce the size, so you have to go with small PDF. It's online, but if you want to perform all the operations, you can go with the PDF Escape or Foxit readers or Adobe Acrobat. Adobe Acrobat Reader DC is familiar for everyone. The reason behind is 99% people who are using the Windows, once they install the Windows, this is the package. Sometimes it's built in available, or you need to download and use it as a reader for your system. So mostly people know about this one, but they do not know how to use in detail and in depth how to make it editable document with this one. And if you want to fill up a form, how you can perform with this one. So we are going to discuss almost four, I think so, 3 to 4 softwares in this session. And we have to take a start by Foxit Reader. So let's transfer ourselves to practical session. I'm not going to take a lot of time by discussing the theory. So we have to discuss about Foxit software. It's basically Chinese company and Chinese software, but this is one of the best software which offering a lot of operations free of cost. I would like to share with you that for sure any company who is introducing their software, they're launching their software, they have multiple type of versions, like the standard version or pro version. Standard versions mean they can offer you a basic options free of cost. But if you want in-depth details or editing or complete functionality and sport, live sport, and many other options, then you have to go with the pro. And for pro, for sure, you need to buy a license. But in this session, I will try to share with you the free softwares, so no need to buy the license to make editing for your documents. In Foxit readers, document format software and tools used to create, edit, sign, and secure files and digital documents, mean like in these 3 or 4 words can cover everything. You can edit, you can sign, mean you can create the digital signature, and you can secure, mean you can prepare a password for your document as well. And I will specially discuss a separate one software which can give you an access to enable the password for your document. So let's take a start with the tutorial. Foxit Reader is a small, high-speed, feature-rich, and it's free of cost software which can give you, you can view, you can sign, you can fill up the form, and there is annotation available. And this software is mean like multiple organization all around the world, they're using Foxit Readers, and they have a lot of trust on this system. So let's take a start that how you can download this one. You just need to open the Google Chrome and write it over there, pick a Foxit software, so you can find out this. Okay, we're gonna take start again, and I would like to share with you that in Protect you can you can go ahead with the PDF convert, and in Connect and Foxit readers you can perform many operations. Um, so let's take a start for editing the software. So on top bar you can view out, there are 3 options available: view, comment, and connect. Just click on view and you can see there are different modes available. If you want to change the color of the page, it would change the environment layout. And if you want to make it the single page, mean once you click on that one, it will finish up all the pages and it will continue it will give you a continue document and there is no pages over there. But if you want to click on continuous, it will bring back again the same things. And facing and continuous facing mean like there are partition of the document. All the pages can be in front of you, and you can make it separate cover page and the remaining would remain same, and you can rotate your document as per your requirement, or you can bring back the previous view on the continuous view. So it's the normal view. So this is just to change the environment or view, but the next option is comment. This is actually going to give you a chance to edit your document. Number one is highlight. If you want to highlight a specific like text, you can make it highlighting. Just select that text, and by selecting this, whatever the color you want to choose, you can go ahead but by default this is the yellow color. So wherever you want to make the highlighting, it is done very easily. The next option is squiggly. This option basically will highlight the underline the different lines, and it's you can say that it's like the different kind of lines here, the different shapes. You can make it squiggly. So you can select this one. You can, if you want to make it I want it to little bit reduce. Here you can find out that you can make your text underline, and you can make it strike through as well. So here is very easy options. You can replace the text as well. You just need to click that one and you can find it out. You just select the specific word and change it, and click on that one, and it would be replaced with that one. You can see it's make a strike and it will change it easily. You can insert a new text as well. You can see, and you can perform by yourself. A lot more options available. The typewriter and text boxes, some options are familiar with each other, but they all have a different operations and different purpose to do it. If you go with typewriter, you can type, you can click on any position of the page, you can continue with this one. Look at this. You can add any kind of content, and you can move them out on any of the place. And some new headings. Here is a text box. Sometimes we need the text box to fill up the form, so we can add text boxes in front of that headings to fill up the information as we need it. And some online forms you have seen, they provide this kind of forms. The next option is call out. You click on some specific, you can add your text, and this would be available in the live document. You can make notes as well, and different types of notes are also available. You can make the comment, notebook, and check mark, and they can be different types, different shapes. Like I have select this point, and I'm gonna add some comments. And there is a list of options available. I would suggest you you have to go with all of them and apply one by one. and practice makes a man perfect. Whatever you need it, everything available in this document, in this list. And you can choose the different types of notes and with different shapes. So you can add on your specific location wherever you need it on the PDF document. But remember that what we are doing right now, we are making editing inside the PDF document. We are not going to convert it. But if you need to change a big change, mean like the complete formatting, then you have to convert them back in the source. For example, this document looks like the Word, so you have to convert from PDF to Word converter, and then you can do it whatever you wanted. But if you need some specific editing which is possible inside the PDF document, you can go ahead with this software and you can perform very easily. I'm doing all just for the example and just to show you that how you can perform all of them. But not all of them being used for all the documents, but whatever you want, you can do it. You can use the paragraph option and many more things. You can add shapes, different type of shapes. There is a pencil, eraser, and area highlight. You can go ahead with this one. You can add the stamp. This is another good option. For example, you are checking out the assignments, you want to add some kind of a stamp with a verified or something, you can add it. You can add the shapes, rectangular or circle or whatever the shape you want, you can do it. And by pencil tool, you can write it freely, and you can erase them as well. And you can see whatever the specific portion you want to delete, you can go ahead and you can make selection and highlight that area. You can add the stamp and you can put on the bottom of the document or wherever you want. You can go ahead with this one. And this is really interesting option that on the PDF document, if you receive some specific PDF document and you want to add kind of stamps, you can use them out. You can see some options are not working, they are disabled. So some. The next one is connect. You can connect and you can convert your document to PDF, or you if you are interested to see the comments or you want to subscribe it now, you can do it on. And here you can find out all the bookmarks which been enabled inside the PDF document. So you can find out all the bookmarks. Bookmarks means if you want to jump on a specific page, some specific location, so you can jump by bookmarking. The next one is pages. This is a thumbnail preview. So by clicking on that one, you can jump on specific page. And if you want to attach a specific file with this PDF document, you can do it very easily. And this is comments. If you have any specific comments, you can see in this. So there are almost 5 options, you can explore them. And the next option is this is very interesting and very important option, that is PDF sign. Sometimes you receive the documents and the management asks you to sign your digital signature and send us back. So sometimes it's really difficult for you guys that how to make this happen. Sometimes what we do, we make the sign on the paper, then we take the photo, then we make the editing in the Adobe, then we send them in the email, and then we put it. This is a long process, but in this kind of softwares you can perform very quickly in a few seconds. You just need to make the signature in this box, look like this, and done. Here is your signature. You can put that signature on any of your document, and it can be done in few seconds. It will not take time. So this is really interesting option. If you can see on top right side that there is a small option that is a highlighter. If you click on that one and simply just move on the lines and select the text, and it will be look like this. So you just need to click on a specific word and it would be highlighted. It's a quick way to highlight some specific words or some specific text. It's really easy one. You can make it off. So all these editing, you have seen that it's really easy, and by end of the editing you need to save this document. You can save it, or you can save as with the new name, so it would be very easy, and you can perform all these tasks and no need of expertise of the computer or something like that. A beginner can easily use these kind of softwares. They prepare it for the beginners as well. No need to be expert in the computer to utilize this type of softwares. So that's all from Foxit Readers. Have seen there that multiple types of formatting can done inside this type of softwares, and we can make the signatures, the digital signatures. We can highlight, we can add the text, we can bring out the text boxes, and many more things we can do it. So we have to move for the next software that is interesting and familiar for you, but we will go through in depth to discuss that how we can use this Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, and what is the difference between the simple Acrobat Reader and what is the difference for D, and what does it means. Prime in this family vary between free and commercial use. Adobe also offering two versions, like first version is standard version, the second version is the commercial version. In standard version they already offering a lot of options free of cost, but if you need online support for 1 year, so they have a commercial version, and you can subscribe and you can bring out the license for that one. But for us, being a normal user of the computer, no need to buy the license. We can go ahead with the standard version. So I'm gonna take this one. Adobe actually starts their journey 25 years ago, and then they bring out something very interesting: quality. They focus on the quality, reliability, and compatibility. Mean you can have compatibility with all the kind of platforms, and we can discuss in this tutorial about the facts of Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you need to view the document, only PDF documents, you just need to download Adobe Acrobat Reader, only Acrobat Reader, and save them out. But if you're looking for editing the softwares, and which type of softwares, this is all belongs to the Microsoft family, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and all these type of softwares which been added, create, and you want to export them, and you want to combine all of these documents, and you want to secure them, you want to make them passwords, and you want to convert them back and forth. Means you can convert to PDF, and from PDF to the source file. So you can use Acrobat DC. This is a document cloud, so you can have a lot of, you can perform a lot of operations. There are too many tools, ports, and application for this software, so you need to download, and it is supported for Office and SharePoint. So here it is that PowerPoint slides, XLS or documents. XLS is basically the PDF format, and you can use them out, you can convert it and convert it back to the source file. You can make the signatures, you can send in the email, and you can save in the cloud. You can bring back the application on your system and on your like laptop or mobile as well. If you need some more information or in-depth version, you can go ahead with licensing. But as I told you that in standard version, they already offering a